Hi Tom, how are you doing today? Hey Sarah, I'm great, thanks. How about you? I'm good too. I'm trying to improve my English, so I thought we could have a conversation. That's awesome. I'm happy to help. What do you want to talk about? Well, I was thinking we could start with everyday activities. What do you usually do in the morning? In the morning, I usually wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast. How about you? I do the same actually. What do you like to eat for breakfast? I usually have cereal or toast with jam. What about you? I like eggs and toast. Sometimes I have fruit too. Nice choice. So, what do you do after breakfast? I go to work. I am an accountant. Really? That's interesting. What do you enjoy about your job? Many things. I like working with numbers and solving problems. It's challenging, but fun. That's great. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I do. I like reading and watching movies. How about you? I love to play the guitar and hiking. It's a great way to relax. That sounds fun. I want to learn more about hobbies. Can you recommend a good book or movie? Sure. For books, you might enjoy The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It's a fantastic story. And for movies, try The Shawshank Redemption. It's a classic. You're gonna love it. Thanks, Tom. I'll check those out. By the way, how do you spend your evenings? I usually have dinner with my family and then spend some time watching TV or playing games or reading a book. How about you? I usually cook dinner and then practice English using online lessons. That's a great way to improve your English. Do you have any favorite English words or phrases? Yes, I like the word serendipity. It sounds nice and I learned it recently. That's a good one. It's used when something pleasant or interesting happens by chance. Any other words you find interesting? I also like effervescent. It sounds bubbly and happy. Nice choice. You're doing really well with your English, Sarah. Keep it up. Thanks, Tom. I appreciate your help. It's been a great conversation. If you ever want to practice more, just let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.